I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Dell Optiplex, then press and hold the power button for a few seconds to drain residual charge. Once done, put on an anti-static wrist strap and set the machine on a stable, well-lit table. Remove the chassis screws and slide off the side panel. You want clear access to the PCIe area. Make sure to note cable routing as you go, because reconnecting is easier when you remember how components were positioned. You next disconnect the GPU power cables by pressing the latch on the 6 or 8-pin connectors and pulling straight out. This prevents pin damage. Then remove the screws holding the card bracket to the case and swing the expansion slot latch if present. Once those are freed, push down the small PCIe slot clip and gently rock the card back and forth while pulling it straight out of the slot. Steady, even force avoids bending the board. Lay the card on anti-static foam when removed. Once the GPU is out, reinstall the side panel and reconnect power to perform a quick boot test. You want to confirm post and system stability. If there's no display, make sure the GPU is fully seated, power connectors are tight, or temporarily switch to onboard video to isolate the issue. If problems persist, try a different PCIe slot or test the GPU in another system. Store the card safely in an anti-static bag, and keep screws labeled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.